Well, hello, good afternoon everyone. How are you doing today? Welcome back to Alan channel, Alan Cooking. Today I'm gonna make a cocoa pandan pancake. So I am already prepared for the ingredients and also for the stuff that I already prepared. So here I prepare 200 grams of flour. The sugar I prepare for 5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and for here the melted butter or melted margarine we can prepare for that, and 2 eggs. Instead of that, I also prepare of coconut milk. It's 200 milliliter of coconut milk, and also I have a pandan concentrate that I gonna use it for 5 drop of pandan here. So the next step, I gonna mix stuff all the So in the next step, I gonna mix the flour, the sugar, mix together, and also the baking powder. And then I mix well to make sure all combine together. And then I gonna mix together here the melted butter with the coconut milk, put in all together. And then the next step, I gonna put the eggs inside here. And then I stir it and mix it together, make sure all is combined. And not forget, I gonna put 5 drops of cocoa pandan concentrate. The pandan concentrate here, my color is green, and the flavor, the smell is much better. This kind of pandan leaf here, the concentrate of pandan leaves, is usually we can find out in the Asian market and in the US and in the Europe. And then I gonna mix well for this, make sure the color is as what we want, the green color. Afterward, I gonna mix all the dry stuff and also the green, the concentrate of coconut. Alright, the next step we just stir it well. Make sure the liquid is combined together. Make the dough for this. Looks in the color, it's getting green as the color of the pandan. Well, if the dough is too thick, you can put liter by liter of water. I put a little bit more water to make sure the liquid as we want. Just a little bit, and we're gonna mix well again. When the liquid is like this one, that is ready to cook for the cocoa pandan pancake. And then the next step, we heat the pan here. Wait until the pan is warm. Remember, it's just on the lowest heat for your pan. And after we reach the heat as the lowest, and then we put the dough. And we're gonna wait until the bubble from the dough here. When the bubble coming, and then afterward we're gonna turn over to make sure that all side is cooked. We waiting for the dough here coming with the bubble is waiting like 30 minutes to 1 minute. You can see here that the bubble is getting coming out, and then we wait for a couple minutes. Will be surrounded with the bubble. We gonna turn over. And we wait another 1 minute again, and all sides will be cooked and will be ready for to eat for this. After 1 minute, I'm gonna turn over to make sure it's coming with the golden brown like this. It's already coming with golden brown, so it's good. I'm gonna transfer to another plate. And then the next step, until we gonna cook it on the dough here is finished. If you like the pancake with big shape, you can put more two serving spoon of this, so it will be bigger ones. Okay guys, the cocoa pandan pancake already done, and the way we serve it, we just put the condensed milk like this one. Alright, the cocoa pandan pancake is be done and ready to be eat. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.